In this video, we're going to look at review exercise 10.3, and we're going to look at how do we allocate out a purchase price to two or more assets that we're buying. So this is what we call a lump sum purchase. So it tells us that our company paid $360,000 to purchase land in a building. An appraisal showed that the land is worth $100,000 and a building is worth $300,000. So they want us to determine what cost should be assigned to both the land and the building. We cannot record the land and building at their appraisal values because it's higher than what that original purchase price is. So we have to break apart that $360,000 that we actually paid for it, because we know under GAAP the cost concept requires us to record our assets at what we've paid for it, regardless of appraised value or anything like that. So we have to do that allocation. So our land, they told us, was appraised at $100,000. And our building was appraised at $300,000. So in total, we know that we have $400,000 in value that we have. So we need to decide how much we're going to allocate out of that total cost to each component. And we do that by figuring out a percentage. So we take the appraisal value divided by the total value, which means that our land makes up about 25% of that total appraised value, which of course then that means our building makes up 75% of that total appraised value. So the total cost that we paid was $360,000. And if we take our relative fair value percentage times that total cost, it will tell us how much we should allocate of that original purchase lump sum price to each one of those items. So we'll record our land at a cost of $90,000, and we would record our building at a total cost of $270,000.